A covalent bond is a bond between two nonmetals. This bond is done when the electrons of the atoms share their electrons in order to create their full octet. The Oreos represent the atoms in the element, and while the crackers surrounding them represent the electrons. And these stick crackers right here, those represent the bonds between the two atoms. So with these two atoms, neither of them have a full octet, and we can't add any more electrons. So what we have to do is we have to share them between the two, between carbon and oxygen. So instead of just having one here and one there, with those two electrons, what we'll do is we'll get rid of these two electrons and add a bond. This gives 2 electrons to carbon and 2 electrons to oxygen. And we can do the same thing with these 2 electrons. And if we count this up right now, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for carbon, and then we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So oxygen has a full octet, but not carbon. What we'd have to do is get rid of these 2 and then add another bond. This would create a triple bond between carbon and oxygen. Now if we count up the electrons in both atoms, you'll see that they both have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 for carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 for oxygen. That made both atoms have their full octet, which means they have bonded to form the compound carbon monoxide.